Yes, so now we can discuss about major blockchain features. Every techie must know. Blockchain will be greatly improved in the near future, and it is likely that it will outperform multiple industries. It will become safer, more democratic, more transparent, and more efficient. Blockchain is a well-known term that you may have heard several times by now. However, most people mistake blockchain for Bitcoin and vice versa, which is not the case. In layman's terms, a blockchain is a decentralized technology that is used to store and secure digital records. Though there is a high demand for blockchain professionals in the job market, the platform is still in its early stages. The platform will be greatly improved in the near future, and it is likely that it will outperform multiple industries. It will become safer, more democratic, and more transparent and more efficient. So, without further ado, let us get acquainted with some of the most important aspects of blockchain, the digital ledger of transactions. That is, number one is in blockchain features immutability. Blockchain technology has many systems. The blockchain platform operates uniquely. It doesn't rely on any centralized authority because a network of nodes runs it. Every node in the system has a copy of the digital ledger and validates it before each transaction occurs. As a result, the process is transparent and free of corruption. High security levels. Another important feature attracting blockchain users is that the platform is completely secure due to its advanced security features because there are unique encryption techniques to add an extra layer of security. No user can modify any data. Then third feature is consensus mechanism. Another pillar of the blockchain model is the consensus mechanism. It is a dynamic method of reaching a single decision that benefits the entire group. The best part is that this mechanism can be used a large group of people scattered around the world to facilitate a fair and equal system. And the fourth feature of blockchain features is decentralized. Blockchain is completely independent platform as any government or other single party doesn't control it. The decentralized nature allows users to store assets that can be accessed online from anywhere and at any time. These digital assets can take the form of a contract, a token, a property registry document, a chain of evidence document, or anything else. A user has direct control over the data that is secured with a private key by using decentralized technology. Then fifth feature of major blockchain features are, fifth feature is minting. In the crypto ecosystem, the minting process refers to validating transactions and adding new blocks to a blockchain network. The blockchain network at its core operates as distributed ledgers, which means that users can record on-chain transactions and validate their authenticity. This is the information regarding major blockchain features. It is very interesting, and as well as every techie must know the fundamentals regarding this information. Wishing you all the best.